Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever finish a book and think, wait, when did I read this? Or start a new one while forgetting the stack you already own? That's exactly why I create simple, aesthetic and functional dashboards in Google Sheet. And today we are building a book track together. This tracker doesn't just list your books, it shows progress, your reading pace and your clear goal. I'll walk you through everything step by step even if you're new to Google Sheets. By end of this video, you'll have a clean, calming dashboard that actually makes you want to read more. So let's get started. Set up the main book log. This is where all your reading information will go. In this row, let's add all the column headings: number, book, author, book status, ratings, genre, format, etc. So here I'm going to add a drop down in the book column, and instead of tapping it manually, we'll create a drop down. In here I'm going to add 4 statuses: not stated, not started, in progress, read and did not finish. You can customize it as you like. So here if you see, I've changed the color format. I'm going to click on customize and change the text to black. You can leave it as is if you prefer. I'm going to repeat this for all the other drop down statuses as well. Now for the rating section, I'm going to add an emoji. To do this, you have to click on the drop down selection again, and you can go to this website, and here I'm going to select an yellow heart and rate it from 5 stars to 1 star. So here I'm going to change the format from chip to arrow so that it looks a little aesthetic. And for the genre, I'm going to copy paste all the genres. Select a color for each one. You can leave it as is if you like it simple and clean. You can use the default colors. Otherwise, you can go to this colors.com, select any hex codes and click on customize and copy paste the hex codes in here. So here there are a lot of ready-made templates which can be used to create a cohesive look. So here as well, I do not like the text which is in different colors. So I go back and click on customize like how we have done earlier and change the text color to black. This keeps everything clean and consistent. So then for the format, this is like if the book is physical, ebook or audiobook. So we'll also make a drop down for this so it is easy to select. Repeat the process as earlier. Similarly, I'm going to change the text color to black. Now let's move on to the pages and the progress. This is where the tracker becomes really satisfying. So in total number of pages, you're going to enter how many pages or how long the book is. And in the pages completed, you will update as you read. And in the progress column, we'll calculate the percentages automatically. Use the below formula. And I'm going to select a date and choose a is valid date option. So now in the days to finish column, we'll calculate the difference automatically. Use the below formula. So this helps you understand your reading pace and makes your stats much more meaningful. So now let's create a small dashboard so you can see everything at a glance. First, let's count how many books are there in your library. This simply counts how many books you have logged. Use the below formula to calculate. Next, we'll type in the goal. For the total books read, ongoing books, and to be reread and did not finish books, we'll use a counter formula here. The formulas are given in the screen. This is really powerful because the numbers update automatically as you change the book status. So the moment you mark a book as finished, your dashboard updates instantly. Look at the formats. We'll count how many books are physical, ebooks and audiobooks. Again, this uses the counter formula just with different conditions. Here I'm just going to enter in the below formula and we are going to add a chart which shows the goal progress. I've added a donut chart and you can change the color as you like. Here I'm going to change the the goal progress in green and the rest in gray color. So I've removed the background so that it's transparent, and what this does is it helps us to see the goal percentage within the donut circle. It looks a little aesthetic. You can skip this part. So here I'm rearranging a few things until I am okay with it. Okay, now it's done. So here I create a chart to basically represent which is the most format that I've used, if it's a physical book or an audiobook. So now for the fun part, this is the reading insights. We'll calculate the average number of days per book, so you know the typical reading pace. We'll also calculate average book length, which helps you to understand what kind of books you gravitate towards. Then we'll calculate the total pages read and the total book finished. These stats turn your tracker from just a list into a real reflection of your reading habits. This tracker isn't about pressure, it's about clarity and motivation. And that's it, your complete Google Sheet tracker is ready to use.
I have uploaded this tracker to my Payhip and Gumroad website, and I also tucked in a few freebies in some extra OneNote, Excel and Google Sheet templates. Bye bye. Until I meet you with the next cute dashboard tutorial video.